welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, the tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome back. All right, give it a stretch. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Got my laundry started, so that is on its way. I'm going to probably have a few loads, but it started. Cool. Been looking again more into this 3D printer. I think this next work session, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and just put in the order and get it done. I mean, so word. So yeah, I'm feeling good about it. So yeah, I think I might pick up some like extra filaments, see what they have on sale. I mean, pick up some stuff on bulk. You know, 'cause I'm probably going to be messing up a lot, so I'm going to need a bunch. All right, neither here nor there. Let us go through. So now one of the reasons why I'm feeling good about this purchase, because I just came back from GitHub Universe, and they had, do I have it on me? Okay, I actually do. And so they had these badges. Oh, oops, something fell. Okay, that's something else. So they had these badges, right? And pretty dope. And so, you know, like the regular badge, and then they have this one, which is like, this is an e-ink display, right? So it doesn't need power to actually show it, which is pretty dope. And on the back is a whole bunch of circuitry, right? And so what they did is that you could hook up like a battery. So they gave out batteries as well. So you can hook it up to this, and that kind of like powers it, right? And the person working the Hack Your Badge station, they put some games on there for me. So there's like a USB-C here. So they plugged in their laptop and put some games on there, which is pretty dope. It runs like Python or something, like some flavor of Python. So it's pretty dope. Now, so I'm going to be messing around with it some more. But all that to say, so I got this at GitHub Universe, right? Now, all that to say is that they also 3D printed an attachment, this thing here, right? Pretty nice, right? So they and then this thing like slides right into it and kind of holds it, so it's like a handheld joint, right? So that is pretty dope. I'm looking forward to messing around with that. Now, the thing that they 3D printed this with is exactly the 3D printer model and everything that I've been looking at. And to see it kind of working was pretty dope. And so the person, again, they said they had 4 of them. And I'm like, oh, that is amazing. So I'm just going to go buy it. So yeah. Now, all that to say, I had a great time at GitHub Universe. I didn't get to, since I was working, I didn't get to really take part, you know what I'm saying, like in the experience of it, because I was either, you know, doing like the interviews or talking with somebody at the booth or like running around doing stuff. And yeah, so I figured we'll take a look at the website because they have some announcements there, and we'll go through it together. Cool. So now I'm going to paste a link to githubuniverse.com. So next to the recording of this video, you'll be able to check it out for yourself. All right, so I'm gonna add that, save that, cool. So now here's the site, githubuniverse.com. And so Universe, I never noticed that this little thing changes color. The like the apostrophe, it's like a jewel or something. That's pretty dope. 24. All right, so now here we go. So Jenks, thanks for joining us at the World's Fair of Software, where AI, DevX, and security took center stage. See you on October 28th to the 29th, 2025. So they already have the date set. And then you can watch on demand. And then so, oh, okay. So, all right. So I guess I'll have to like log through, I guess. But then let's take a look at this. I'm gonna open that in a new window to read the universe recap. Keep going down. So miss the keynote, catch up on everything we announced. All right, so pretty dope. So they have it all kind of blocked out. That's kind of nice. Okay, so let's check out the opening keynote. So kick off day one with the highly anticipated opening keynote, celebrating our 10th universe. GitHub CEO Tom Domke will take the stage to reflect on GitHub's incredible journey and share our bold aspiration to empower 1 billion developers. Expect exciting announcements on the latest products, features, and ships that are set to redefine the future of software development. Dope. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Here we go.
Please welcome Thomas Domke.
What's pretty dope is that I took a picture of that room, like when it was empty, and like it you can actually see like the awesomeness that came from it. Like it was pretty amazing. So I'm gonna keep on going. Sorry.
Good morning. It's so great to be here with all of you. Today is huge for us. This is our first GitHub Universe here at Fort Mason, but as it turns out, it's also our 10th GitHub Universe. Yeah. Year after year, thank you for giving us the honor. The past decade of GitHub Universe has been marked by a tidal wave of open source creation and consumption. It can no longer be denied that open source has won. Yes.
Very nice. So you can check the rest of that out. But let me see. All right, so they announced this here. Go here.
And finally, in phase 2, we will go from multi-model functionality to multi-model choice. There was a boom of high-quality models in 2024. And you know what? GitHub is still GitHub. We are an open developer platform, and developers expect the agency to build with the models that work best for them. So today, we deliver just that, and we deliver it right here, right now. So first off, we're tearing down that waitlist for OpenAI O1. All Copilot users now have public access to O1 Preview and O1 Mini. During our own exploration with O1 Preview, we found the model's reasoning capabilities allow for a deeper understanding of code constraints and edge cases, producing efficient and quality results. Now, if you want to use O1 and Copilot Chat, you can just click it and get started today. But there's more. There's been a model this year that has really caught fire with developers across the planet. What's his name again? Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So today, I'm excited to announce a new partnership with Anthropic, bringing the power of Claude to GitHub Copilot.
So GitHub Copilot is basically like an AI assistant in your editor, your code editor. And so basically they opened it up. It used to be like we're just because Microsoft put in money into OpenAI. And so they had OpenAI and Copilot. But it looks like now they've expanded to include other LLMs. And then so they have the co-founder there. Cool. And then I think also, yes, and then they also announced here. Let's see this here.
You know, we mean it when we say multi-model choice. Today, lightning strikes twice. So we're thrilled to share a partnership with Google, bringing Gemini 1.5 Pro to GitHub Copilot. As you can see behind me in the demo, in GitHub Copilot's new model pickers, developers will soon be able to build with Gemini 1.5 Pro. It's natively multimodal with the ability to process code, images, video, text, all simultaneously. It works great for code suggestions, writing documentation, or explaining code. And we will continue to bring multi-model choice.
That's pretty dope. So you're able to select from all of them. That's pretty dope. And then they have, Copilot extensions. Let's see what else I got here. Oh, go GitHub Copilot and Xcode for my folks doing iOS development. GitHub models. So a whole lot of stuff. Copilot workspace. So I remember seeing some of these demos around as well. But again, I never really got a chance to check them out because I was working the booth. And so you can check it out there. Cool. So let's learn, grow, and get inspired by what's next. So then you can watch on demand. Special thanks to the sponsors. And so you see, like we're right here. Very nice. That's the reason why I was able to go. And cool. So now let's take a look at this press release. See what they announced here. All right. So new from Universe 2024. Get the latest previews and releases. So find out how we're evolving GitHub and GitHub Copilot and get access to the latest previews and GA releases, general availability releases. So welcome to your flow state. Found means fixed. Very nice. Ship more, switch lists. All right, cool. So yeah, this came out October 29th. Oh, so this is like right before the event, or like, no, the day of. So yeah, very nice. Oh, it was actually updated October 31st. Okay, cool. That makes sense. So yeah. So this is like the day after. So they like the day of and the day after the thing. So because it was the 29th and the 30th were the 2 days. And that GitHub Universe was happening. All right, so welcome to your flow state. This year marks our 10th GitHub Universe, and one theme has remained constant: our focus on developers and the developer experience. Over 10 years, that developer experience has evolved from inventing the pull requests to building the world's most widely adopted AI coding tool, GitHub Copilot. So today, our platform serves more than 100 million developers. And through the power of this interconnected community, combined with generative AI, we are enabling every developer to build, release, scale, and secure software rapidly. We have to cover a lot. We have a lot to cover. As developers, we're not known to be patient. So let's jump in. So then they're introducing new AI, powerful AI native experiences. All right, so this is where they're talking about you get to use choice in your GitHub Copilot. So Anthropic's Claude 3.15 Sonnet, Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro, and OpenAI's O1 Preview and O1 Mini. All right, very nice. Cool. And then, so then AI native, I guess that means GitHub Copilot Workspace, Code Review, and Copilot Autofix. So with Copilot Workspace and pull requests, you can rapidly refine, validate, and land GitHub Copilot generated code suggestions coming from Copilot Code Review. Okay, so when you push something, be like, hey, is this, you'll look over it for you. Copilot Autofix and third-party Copilot extensions get your pull requests ready to merge faster than ever. That's cool, faster than ever. Oh, this one was pretty cool. I think I saw some people talking about this. So bring your ideas to life with GitHub Spark. It starts with an idea. It always does. When we're kids, we have thousands of them. I have 1,000 of them now. Many of them are silly. Yeah. Some of them are crazy. Yeah. Today, we're giving you a new product to try all of them. We call it GitHub Spark. It's powered by natural language, and it sets the stage for our vision to help 1 billion people become developers. That's dope. This is about fun and personal software, not about enterprise productivity apps. And I'm all about that. I'm all about building things that kind of like solve your own problems, your own issues. And other people may have that same thing. But for me, it's always something that I'm trying to get accomplished and fixed in, in my own ongoings. You know what I'm saying? So I like that they said that. That's dope. So fun and personal software. With live history previews, and the ability to edit code directly, GitHub Spark allows you to create micro apps that take the crazy, small, fun idea and bring it to life. Go and play, learn about GitHub Spark technical preview. Oh, I might have to actually go and check that out. I think I might actually made some connects at GitHub while out there. So pretty dope. I'm gonna look into that. Increasing your productivity with Copilot powered developer platform. Oh, that's dope. Momentum is our oxygen, and that is why we are announcing a wide range of improvements to accelerate how you build, release, scale, and secure software. Get ready to unlock your creativity. Wait, oh, multi-file editing. Okay, edited multiple lines and files with Copilot and VS Code. Applying edits directly as you iterate on your code base with natural language. What? Complex changes? Tab, and apply. Interesting. GitHub Copilot code reviews. Let's talk about that before. Now, is this? A details element. I like it. All right, so raising the quality of your Copilot-powered experiences. That's pretty dope. Enhancing how you work in your IDE, which is like your code editor. Okay. That's pretty cool. Oh, Copilot upgrade assistance for Java. Okay, so my Java heads. All right, that's dope. Then more about Copilot extensions, making it easy to build generative AI applications with GitHub models. So GitHub models. So if you want to do like, if you want to create like images, so like text to image, maybe. I think that's what we're talking about. So yeah, that's what they're talking about. GitHub models make it simple to use, compare, experiment, and build with AI models from OpenAI, Cohere, Microsoft, Mistral, and more. Starting today, developers and AI engineers can access new capabilities on GitHub models, including side-by-side model comparison, support for multimodal models, the ability to save and share prompts, that's dope, and parameters, and new cookbooks and SDK support in GitHub Codespaces. That's pretty dope. So yeah, there's no more waitlist to try GitHub models right away. That's pretty dope. Okay, I'm gonna check that out. I'm opening a new window. Cool. Then there's a Copilot auto fix for open source. Oh, so it reduces time to fix vulnerabilities. That's good. That's dope. And as always, it's free for our open source community. That's pretty dope. Triage 1,000 alerts at a time with security campaigns. Okay. More secure code from the IDE to production. Okay. So that helps with that. That's pretty dope. Enterprise grade experience that puts you in control. That's cool. Yeah, it's a very long blog. That's pretty dope. Your multimodal AI native developer experience starts today. All right, that's pretty dope. Very nice, very nice. So real quick, I want to take a look at this Spark thing. Hold on. Share this tab instead. So can we enable anyone to create or adapt software for themselves using AI in a fully managed runtime? Interesting. Building and sharing personalized micro apps or Sparks. I like that. That's very nice. Okay. I'm gonna have to sign up for this technical preview joint and see what that's about. Because again, I have like mad ideas for stuff. You know what I'm saying? So all right. So GitHub Spark. So introducing GitHub Spark. GitHub Spark is an AI-powered tool for creating and sharing micro apps, Sparks, which can be tailored to your exact needs and preferences and are directly usable from your desktop and mobile devices, really, without needing to write or deploy any code. I wonder how that works without deploying any code. So they must have like a runtime that they kind of like you build in, I guess. And so that's kind of like, I guess you deploy to their system, but it's not like you're deploying anywhere else. It's like okay, I'll have to check that out. So then, see, a managed runtime. Okay, which hosts your Sparks and provides them access to data storage, theming, and LLMs. Okay, so yeah, so it's not like you have to deploy it yourself, but it will be on their systems, on their runtime environment. Okay, and then a natural language-based editor. That's pretty dope, which allows easily describing your ideas and then refining them over time. Now, this is pretty dope. A PWA, I'm a big fan of progressive web apps. So a PWA-enabled dashboard, which lets you manage and launch your Sparks from anywhere. Okay, I want to watch this video real quick. I know I'm probably over time, but let me just watch this video real quick. This is kind of interesting to me. I want to see so let's take a look at how it works. Because I have a bunch of, along with my random ideas, I have like URLs, you know what I'm saying? Like websites. And so I'm wondering if there's a way, if it's within their thing, is it still able to, attach like a URL to it, like a domain name? You know what I mean? Because that's part of the fun, right? So let's check this out. Hold on. Okay, so that's kind of like what I was thinking. Whereas, okay, so it's kind of like all within like this sandbox, and then you can build it and then share it with somebody else, so then they can also do it. But it's not necessarily like, all right, so then like a little, again, like micro apps that are just all within your project. Interesting. Okay, that's kind of like what I'm doing with. Okay, so I have this website because of course I have a website called mylight.work, right? Mylight.work. And I'm going to copy and paste and share this, add this link to it as well. All right. And so basically, so light as in tools I made, web components, lightning talk slides, and other things. So basically things that don't require like an actual full-blown website application. It's just like small things. So like, for example, like the web component I made for a prize wheel, right? And so let me put in like 5 here. And it's just an example of this web component I made. I mean, you can't really, unless it's an application actually using it, it's kind of hard to showcase it. So I have it here on this website, right? And then that's going to finish spinning at some point. It's all random, so I don't know how long that's going to take. It's a random prize wheel. And hey, you won pizza. Cool, great. And like other things that I have here. So I created this private key to environment variable tool because I use that a lot for my projects. And so just for me, it's just easier to have one place I can go to and do this, right? So I think that's the type of thing that they're talking about. You can just say, hey, I would like a converter when I upload a file, like, and this is all done in the browser, by the way. When I select a file, like a private key, I want you to turn that into an environment variable, like string it out for me or whatever, right? Cool. And then also, so yes, I think this is kind of like the stuff they're talking about. And then video to GIF. I've recently been needing to turn, I need to be creating GIFs. And so like I record a video and then this allows me to turn that into a GIF. I spoke about this before, but I think this is the type of stuff that they're talking about. So if you don't want to be like me and actually have like a website to host all your random things, they'll be able to do that for you, which is pretty dope. So shouts to them. All right. Yeah. So that's pretty exciting. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty cool. And then they have a whole nother video. Oh, GitHub Spark to create a travel log app. What? Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait. I'm sorry. I gotta watch this.
As AI developer tools become more capable and accessible, they enable more people to create software through natural language. But when the code is generated, the user has to do something with it, like building, running, and deploying it. That's why GitHub Next have built GitHub Spark, an AI-native app platform to help anyone build, use, and share highly personalized microapps. Let's see how it works. From the homepage, we can see our existing Sparks or microapps and can describe what we want to create. So let's build an app that helps a user review the cities that
I
they
think they're doing this on like a mobile device because you saw this keyboard screen pop up. Okay. Okay. So wait, they asked for. Oh, come on. I wish this wasn't there.
visited.
An app for me to log all the cities I've traveled with a review and a star rating. See, it's like they read my mind because I literally have a site where I do that. Well, not the star rating thing, but I went over it earlier in the last thing. It's a site that I created, Dwayne.in. I'm gonna add that to the list of links as well. And I'm gonna check that out. Hold on. I want. So this is the site I made basically. So it's this thing is in the way so you can't see it, but it's basically like a place of all the different places I got to travel to, and I take like pictures and I upload pictures so you see the GitHub universe and you can view the stories. And then I've been looking at, like I said, I looked at this earlier. So if I want to continue from where I left off, I'll say no for now. It'll start at the beginning, and so then here you go. So it's just kind of like all the different things. So okay, hold on. So I wonder what. So that basically, that's kind of like what they're building is like my travel log. This is kind of like that. That's pretty dope. All right, sorry. This is kind of interesting. So I'm gonna go look at this more. But again, you can check it out for yourself. Again, shouts to GitHub Universe. Had a really cool time. And yeah, so excited about the things that are coming up. Let me get y'all back to work because I'm probably gonna go look more of this GitHub Spark thing. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. Did you go to GitHub Universe? Did you check out anything? Let me know what you are excited about, anything that maybe we spoke about. But I think I'm always a fan of having people, especially if it's like a personalized application, even if it's just for them, being able to create that. You know what I'm saying? And not waiting for somebody to hopefully create it, but be able to, some scratch your own itch kind of thing. So I think that's dope. So shouts to GitHub. All right, I'm gonna send you all for some traveling music. This right here is one of my favorite producers of all time. It goes by the name of Nujabez. The track is featuring a super dope MC by the name of Apani B. The track is called Thank You. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you 15 minutes after the hour. Till then, I wish you much productivity. All right. We'll take a look at an artist's website, listen to some music, maybe watch some videos. Maybe you'll become a fan. All right. Thanks, y'all. Y'all be easy. Peace.
Well, let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I think all the show love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop.